front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this INFINIX. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app, which is DevCheck device and system info from Flare to developer. This one, not sponsored by the way. When it's ready, launch it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, make sure to click on all of those sections, not only to read all the informations, but also because when you hit settings, at the bottom right corner of each section, you will get transferred to it in your device's settings right away. It also works when you click on gear icons at the top right corners. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!